Today, we're diving into a delightful aspect of gardening: how to plant persimmon seeds. Planting seeds is a fundamental gardening skill, and when it comes to persimmons, a bit of knowledge can lead to delicious outcomes. Let's explore this journey from seed to fruit-bearing tree. Firstly, acquiring your persimmon seeds is step one. You could either save seeds from a persimmon you've eaten, or you might order them online. Once you have your seeds, the real adventure begins. It's important to understand that persimmon seeds require preparation before planting, a process called stratification. This involves mimicking the cold winter conditions that these seeds need to go through before germinating. To do this, clean your seeds and place them in a moist paper towel, then into a Ziploc bag, and finally, leave them in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 months. Now let's talk about the actual planting. Once your seeds have gone through stratification, it's time to plant them. Spring is the ideal time for this. Choose a pot with good drainage and fill it with a mix of potting soil and sand to ensure the soil is well drained but still fertile. Plant your seeds about ½ an inch deep into the soil and water them gently but thoroughly. Persimmon seeds need consistent moisture to germinate, so keep the soil damp but not waterlogged. Position your pots in a warm, sunny spot. Persimmons love the sun. Germination can take a few weeks to a couple of months, so patience is key. Once your seedlings appear and grow to a few inches tall, you can transplant them to their final location. Whether it's into a larger pot or directly into your garden, ensure they have ample space to grow. Persimmons can become large trees, so plan accordingly. Caring for your growing persimmon tree involves regular watering, especially during dry spells, and occasional fertilization with a balanced fertilizer. Pruning is also an aspect to consider, to shape the tree and encourage healthy growth. In conclusion, planting persimmon seeds is a rewarding gardening activity that requires patience and care. From stratification to germination and beyond, each step is crucial in nurturing these seeds into fruit-bearing trees. Whether you're aiming for a bounty of persimmons for your culinary delights or simply want to enjoy the beauty of a persimmon tree in your garden, the process is the same. Thank you for watching. Gardening is a journey filled with learning and growth, quite literally when it comes to planting seeds. May your persimmon seeds flourish, bringing lush greenery and bountiful fruits to your garden. Remember, every seed planted is a step towards a more green and fruitful world. Happy gardening.